Welcome back, everybody. Stop the rust before it starts. So what I've done now, the Miller's Falls plane is complete. It has been fettled, tuned up, flattened, sharpened, and now it has been taken apart and oiled. So it is ready to go onto its new owner. There's one more thing I could do. I could put a little bit of oil on the threaded rod and the yoke. So that moves freely. So I'm using jojoba oil, Jojoba, jojoba. I would prefer to use camellia oil, but I don't have any. Camellia oil is prized by Japanese knife makers, tool makers, and woodworkers for preventing rust. Whenever you oil a threaded part, work it back and forth a few times so that you know you've gotten the oil everywhere you want it to go. So I have taken this plane apart. I oiled all sides of every part. Blade, chip breaker, frog, screws, and now the yoke. So that's all done. Everything's done. The plane has been flattened, sharpened, tested. Mouth has been widened. So there's no excuse. This plane is ready to go to work. Now you could strip and refinish the knob and tote, or not. You could make a new one, or not. I'm going to be sending the original blade along with it, even though it's got pit marks. Maybe somebody might want to put a little bit more camber on it and just use it as a roughing plane. So how much of this oil do I really use? To give you an example, on this old blade, you just put a little dot, dollop, smear, whatever you want to call it, and then you wipe it all the way around. You use a cloth or a paper towel. You wipe it on all surfaces so you stop the rust before it starts. How often do you have to do this? It all depends. If you live on the coast where you're near sea air, there's a lot more salt in your air. You may have to do this more frequently. If you live in the high plains or in a desert area, very arid, you may only need to do this once a year. Here in Pennsylvania, we're kind of in the middle. We have dry spells and we have wet spells. So let me know what you like to use. I really appreciate you stopping by. And as always, with any oil-soaked rag or paper towel, open them up, don't leave them crumbled, and either lay them on the concrete or you can put them in water and soak them until your trash removal day comes, and then you can put them in the trash. Now, I know jojoba oil is not a drying oil. However, oil is oil. So that's about it, everybody. I appreciate you being here. Like, subscribe, and share, and head out to your workshop. Go oil up your tools. Stop the rust before it starts.